The negative cost expectation for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025 certainly is $0.0109, with a really possible in every practical sense high of $0.0129, or so they thought. As of the in a real sense the most recent update, Jasmy coin basically is exchanging at around $0.0057, beautiful in opposition. The essentially normal extended cost for Jasmy coin in 2030 really is supposed to generally be $0.5065, with in every practical sense, likely difference somewhere in the range of $0.4926 and $0.5783 in an unobtrusive manner. Long-haul investigation recommends the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $5.89 by 2050, or so they thought. There certainly is essentially potential for Jasmy coin cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as genuinely high as $4.27 toward 2040, in a quite enormous manner's end. Starting around 11 February 2024, Jasmy coin especially is exchanging at $0.0057 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.83% in most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. Jasmy basically has a very complete market cap of $282,582,576 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,029,922, or so they really thought. This makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, sort of positioning at 173 in the digital currency market, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Jasmy coin for the most part be somewhat worth in 2024 in a significant manner? Is Jasmy coin an excellent speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, which generally is very critical? Will Jasmy cost basically outperform its unequaled especially high in an unpretentious manner? These fundamentally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, which is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024, as per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Jasmy cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.0075, the normal especially least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to fundamentally be $0.0073, which really is very critical. Besides, Jasmy can essentially arrive at a greatest value level of $0.0087, which is very critical. Jasmy coin value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is supposed to be at around an especially least of $0.0051, exhibiting how additionally Jasmy can generally arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.0087 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin cost can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.0058, with the truly normal cost of $0.0056 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy coin value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.0055 in walk 2024 in a by and large significant manner. The Jasmy cost could generally arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.0060, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.0058 all through 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy value estimate April 2024. The Jasmy coin conjecture for April 2024 expects that the Jasmy may in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0.0063, with a kind of least cost of around $0.0058 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the really normal value Jasmy can by and large stretch around $0.0060 for April, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value conjecture May 2024. The Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value for May 2024 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.0059, while the very most extreme estimated cost in a real sense is around $0.0065. The fundamentally normal cost for Jasmy truly is generally anticipated to generally reach $0.0062 in May 2024 in a genuinely large way. Jasmy coin value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin basically is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around an extremely least of $0.0061 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin cost can basically arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.0068, with the typical cost of $0.0063 in United States dollars, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could stretch around $0.0071, which sort of is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in July 2024 basically is $0.0062, with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.0064, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Jasmy coin cost explicitly is gauged to generally arrive at the most reduced cost of $0.0065 in a very significant manner. The Jasmy cost could arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.0074, with the sort of typical expected cost around $0.0067, which really is very critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Jasmy coin cost generally is estimate to, in a real sense, arrive at an especially the least cost of $0.0068, which basically is genuinely critical. The Jasmy cost could really arrive at a greatest cost of $0.0077, with the typical expected cost around $0.0070, or so they thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Jasmy coin cost generally is conjectured to arrive at an outright most reduced cost of $0.0068, essentially further appearance. How sort of is Jasmy coin a truly wise speculation, or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2024, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking? The Jasmy cost could really arrive at a greatest cost of $0.0080, with the by and large normal expected cost around $0.0071. Further appearance how the negative cost expectation for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025 is $0.0109, with an especially possible in every practical sense high of $0.0129, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly be at around a truly least of $0.0071, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin cost can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of limit of $0.0083, with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.007.